When I get older, losing my hair, so many years from now, will you still
Good
be
afternoon
sending
and
me a
welcome
valor?
to Berkshire Senior TV. I'm your host today. My name is Bonnie DiTomaso. I'm the Home and Community-Based Programs Supervisor. And joining me today is John Arthur Miller, our Options Counselor at Elder Services of Berkshire County. Today's topic is bringing the local farm items to market as relates to the farmers market coupons. And to begin with, the farmers market, local farmers markets produce locally grown fruits and vegetables that are available for people to purchase with their farmers market coupons. And the farmers markets fill a variety of roles, bringing the community farmers to the people who are looking for those goods and services. And in addition to that, farmers market coupons can be used to provide incentives for people to be able to provide better nutritional needs for themselves. So part of our program today is talking to you about where you can find those local markets and how you can use your coupons to purchase those services. So John Arthur, would you like to share with us about the farmers market coupon program and how it works?
Well, certainly, you mentioned the important things, the idea that we're helping with the Farmers Market, Massachusetts Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program, to be official, help them to provide some very nutritional food for lower income folks, and also to sort of emphasize and allow folks to know that the farmers in Massachusetts have a lot of good produce and that are available for healthy eating. And the Farmers Market Coupon Program is sponsored by, let's make this official here, U.S. Department of Agriculture and the Massachusetts Department of Agricultural Resources. And how it works, there are some prerequisites. You have to be 60 years of age, or if you are disabled, you can be under 60. And you have to have not more than 185% of national poverty level. And in real figures, that is listed on the farmers market coupon. With a household size of 1, the monthly income can be no more than $1,872, or the annual income $22,500 or so. And how it works, these are distributed through our elder services to the different councils on aging, and there are about 20 or 21 of them that are participating in Berkshire County this year. And they are the holders of the coupons, and a lot of them, the folks that have planned on using these this summer, or perhaps have used them in the past, they might have to have a lottery because there are so many folks, and it's quite a popular program. But it's equitably distributed at each COA, and each person is allowed a book of 10 coupons at $2.50 a piece. And you'll notice here it's a yellow coupon. There's no change involved, so you have to use the coupons to the full extent or close to the full extent. But it's $25 worth of coupons, which can be used to purchase fruits, non-processed fruits, vegetables, and unprocessed honey. You're not able to use these for meat products or baked goods, but certainly lots of fruits and vegetables and honey are available.
And one thing I wanted to share is that the farmers market coupons primarily are for those who are over the age of 60 and meeting those income eligibility guidelines. The one exception to that is disabled individuals who live in a housing complex that is served by a meal site. And currently that would be Providence Court in Pittsfield. And we have designated a date for those residents at Providence Court to receive the farmers market coupons, and that would be July 18th, which is a Wednesday. We're going to be on site issuing those farmers market coupons to the residents at Providence Court, and we will be doing that post-lunch. So people don't have to worry about scurrying down to get the farmers market coupons. They're being issued on a first-come, first-served basis, and people can certainly do that after their lunch.
Yeah, another thing we might mention is that certainly there are folks that aren't able to get out, aren't able to go to the farmers markets, and there is a process by which a proxy can be named for this person to pick up their vegetables and fruits. When they get the coupons, they have to sign a proxy form to note exactly who the coupons are for, and then they can travel and help use those coupons for people who can't get out or don't drive or unable to go to the farmers markets.
And so we have about 20 locations throughout Berkshire County, councils on aging who have decided to participate in this program, everywhere from Florida, Massachusetts, down to Sheffield.
Right.
And we will be working with those councils on aging to make sure that they have enough coupons for the people that they want to issue coupons to. And so isn't it true that the farmers market coupon process is a first come, first serve basis?
Yes, it is. And I think we mentioned earlier, there's so many people that are interested. Some of the COAs have a date that they set for a lottery type of, and if there are coupons left, there still might be some added contributions from COAs that don't use up their others, but the coupons have to be distributed by, I think, September 1st, and they have to be used by October 1st, I believe.
So the councils on aging have until September 30th, actually.
30th, I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's a lot of dates to remember. And the coupons, the physical coupons, can actually be used till the end of October. But we have communicated to all the councils on aging. They have an allotment based on what they felt that they used the prior year. But periodically we do get additional coupons from USDA that we're able to issue. So we've communicated to all of the COAs that if they need additional coupons to let us know. By the same token, we want to make sure that they all get used. So we'll be checking in periodically with the councils on aging to make sure that they turn in any unused coupons so we can redistribute them as you indicated.
And along with the coupons, they get this handy-dandy welcome to the farmers market brochure, which lists all the farmers markets actually in this one, I think it's in the state even.
Yes,
But
yes it is.
certainly Berkshire County is listed here, and it even gives you some recipes that you can use fruits and vegetables in it. So that's a very helpful inclusion. I might add that the only reason I'm here is because Bonnie, who knows all about the farmers market coupons, couldn't ask the questions and then change the seat to answer them. So we've worked together a little bit on this, but Bonnie really, as you saw before, corrected me on some things. But there's a lot of helpful information in this as well, which comes along with your coupon book.
Well, and it's important to note that some of the questions we get from seniors that are looking for these coupons, they're asking if they have to go to the COA with any proof of their income, proof of their age, and the farmers market coupon is a self-attestation. So the person receiving the coupons or requesting the coupons is, basically it's the honor system. The person that's getting the coupon is saying, yes, I am eligible, and yes, I do meet the income guideline. In some councils on aging, they may have different criteria about how many they will issue to a particular household. Some of the councils on aging, because they want to make sure that they cover their whole community, may restrict to one per household. Others may have a little bit more flexibility and may issue more than one per household. But certainly you can, if you were interested in getting farmers market coupons, you could certainly contact your local council on aging. If by any chance your local council on aging is not offering the farmers market coupons, you can certainly give me a call. My name is Bonnie D. Tomaso, and I can be reached at 499-0524, extension 750. If we do have additional coupons available, we would certainly try to assist you with that. But for the most part, you should be contacting your local council on aging. And John Arthur, you previously were a council on aging director down in Sheffield, and can you tell about any experience you had with people who and how they use the farmers market coupons, especially in a rural community?
Yeah, certainly. We mentioned how popular this program is, and it's become more popular every year. I think more and more folks know about it and are able to participate. And depending where you live, there are more or less opportunities for access to farmers markets. I was down in Sheffield for a number of years as the director of that COA, and we had a wonderful Sheffield farmers market there. However, just to be forewarned that all of the vendors in the farmers markets don't necessarily take the coupons. So you have to make sure that when you go to the vendors, make sure that they accept the coupons, because it's not necessarily so that every vendor at each farmers market accepts the coupons. But certainly it's been a growing program, and a lot more vendors are finding it helpful, and they want to do their part, and it's a great opportunity for folks to eat healthy in the summer.
Sure. And there are some programs that people may already qualify for, such as SNAP or WIC. And we want to make sure that people know that by accepting the farmers market coupons, it doesn't affect that benefit.
That's right, right. In fact, some places you might take advantage and almost get double coupons if it's offered. So double the amount of food that you're able to get with the coupons, the farmers market coupons, and the SNAP benefits.
Sure, sure. And a lot of people who qualify for the farmers market coupons also may qualify for other programs. You know, WIC, I mentioned the Healthy Incentive Program, which is designed to help people identify more healthy ways to eat.
Brown bag program as well, which is state-run from the brown bag distribution program throughout the state.
And many people who qualify for the farmers market coupons are also recipients of our Meals on Wheels program, which is a huge benefit to the community. Our Meals on Wheels program currently serves about 1,000 people a day, and you know, this is a real link to the community. Sometimes the person who delivers the Meals on Wheels is the only contact that person has.
Right, and actually our nutrition program has sort of two parts to it. It's not just the Meals on Wheels, which acts as a wonderful wellness check for individuals who can't get out of their home, but also it enables folks who want to have lunch with some folks, a congregate meal at a number of COAs in the area. And you can find out those places and what days they serve the congregate meals in our Berkshire Senior monthly newsletter. So.
Right, and our Berkshire Senior newspaper is available to anyone who wants to receive it. It's available online. You can also request it to be mailed to your home, and we also deliver to the councils on aging. So when you're at your council on aging getting your farmers market coupons, you can pick up our Berkshire Senior
newsletter.
Newspaper and become aware of services that are available through Elder Services.
There are a lot of options for folks, for elders in this county, and we're very lucky to have the work of Elder Services, the Area Agency on Aging through the federal government, and the Aging Services Access Point for the state government, all at Elder Service of Berkshire County, including many programs like farmers market coupons, farmers market nutrition program.
And I wanted to share with the viewers some of the specific locations that we have available for them to pick up the farmers markets coupons. To begin with, we have Adams, we have Cheshire, Dalton. In South County, we have Egremont, Great Barrington, Sandusfield, Sheffield, Stockbridge. We also reach some of the more rural areas, such as Washington, Savoy, and Peru. We also have availability in Hancock, Hinsdale, Lanesboro, Lee, and Lenox. So those are just a few of our locations, but all of those councils on aging have the opportunity, as I said, to get more coupons if they need to do so, and there are a variety of services that are available at those councils on aging.
And then, of course, not only the farmers markets that are in Berkshire County, including Lanesboro, Great Barrington, Lee, Lenox, North Adams, Otis, Pittsfield, Sheffield, West Stockbridge, and Williamstown, but also there are some farm stands that are in Berkshire County that might be in a person's area. There's one in Fort Hill Farms in Pittsfield, Gray Raven Farms in Lanesboro, and Many Forks Farms in Clarksburg, and Mountain Girl Farm in North Adams. So if you're close to those areas, you might stop in at those particular farm stands as well.
And again, we want to emphasize that these farmers market coupons in some cases can be doubled. And they can be used until the end of October. So some people like to save them and purchase, more fall items, squash and pumpkin and
acorn,
use them.
butternut.
So and it's not limited to just the summer.
Right.
And the summer vegetables.
Right.
So we want to make sure that people are aware of that.
And potatoes. I love potatoes.
Oh, yes, it's always a good thing. And, I would encourage people that are interested and think that they may qualify for the farmers markets not to think that they are over income. The income limits are pretty generous, especially if there's more than one person in the household. And certainly your Council on Aging Director can explain to you what the income limits are and whether you would qualify. And if you don't qualify for the farmers market coupon, certainly you may qualify for other assistance programs that are available, especially fuel assistance, those types of programs that will help defer your expenses. And those are continually offered through Elder Services, through our options program. John Arthur and his colleague Noel Lang both offer a variety of services through Elder Services, where we try to offer some long-term services and supports to people who, may not feel that they are eligible for services. And we really want to emphasize to people that you shouldn't always assume that you are not eligible. There are various factors that may make you eligible for services through Elder Services.
I might also add that, all of our services, many are at no cost to the consumer. One that comes to mind is the caregiver support program that we work very hard with folks who are the caregivers of family members, and so there's some group and individual help and support through that program as well.
Sure. And through the Options Counseling Program, you also help people with housing choices as well?
Housing is a big deal. And planning for your future. You might have been living in your home and the kids are gone now and no longer need this big home, but so it's good to start the plan early before emergencies arise.
Yeah.
So we're available to help talk about possibilities and options for future housing.
And then, of course, tie into the farmers market coupons is when people go to pick up the farmers market coupons, they may not always have transportation. And again, Elder Services does offer a transportation service through our volunteer services, primarily for those that are in need of medical transportation, but we utilize a team of volunteers who help seniors that may not have other ways to get to doctor's appointments get there. And if someone is interested in getting farmers market coupons and they don't have a way to get to the COA, there's a potential that either the COA themselves or one of our volunteers could transport the person to be able to pick up the farmers market coupons if they needed to do so. And again, there's also the option of utilizing the proxy form where a friend or relative could pick them up for you by certifying that they were picking them up for the senior and have the senior sign for the coupons. So there's a variety of ways that people can get those coupons.
Right.
And so we would just hope that people would take advantage of this program, would visit their local Council on Aging, and also visit their Council on Aging for other services that might be available to them. Other services that might be available, as we said, are brown bag. Also, there are at Councils on Aging, there are sometimes other services that are ongoing.
Certainly, many of the COAs or Councils on Aging have a SHINE representative that can help, and especially when the fall comes and you're re-looking at your prescription plan. So we have a lot of those folks at the COAs helping in the open enrollment period from October 15th through December 7th, I think.
That's correct.
It's a big time to recheck everything.
Right. And we can't emphasize that enough. That's your time to really select your services and make sure that you have the correct coverage that you need. In addition, at the Councils on Aging, very often they have foot care that's offered, other health programs that are offered, Matter of Balance.
Wonderful socialization there. I've attended a number of over 90 parties recently in North County and South County. So we know that folks who are more mature members of our community still have a lot to offer and still enjoy life greatly, and so we try to present these programs to help keep you healthy and active and enjoying what life has to offer.
And so we'd just like to thank you for joining us today on this edition of Berkshire Senior TV. And thank you, John Arthur,
Thanks for
being
having
here.
me. This was fun. It's nice to see you out of the office.
And we'd like you to just stay tuned for a brief video that we have that talks about all of the services that Elder Services has to offer. And we thank you once again for joining our program today. And have a good day.
County has been providing your elderly neighbors with the care and support needed to live independently since 1974. Through the years, we have had the honor of promoting senior independence by delivering a wide range of services with the expertise, compassion, and quality our elders deserve. Your care in your home is our mission. Your home is our home. The Berkshires, all 946 square miles in 32 cities and towns. So whether you are downtown, uptown, or out in the hill towns, we are here for you. Whether your home is a family homestead, an apartment, senior housing, or a long-term care facility, we are here to help you age with independence and dignity. Our most recognizable program is Meals on Wheels Berkshire County, where we prepare over 750 meals a day. These meals are brought far and wide to ensure that all seniors have access to a warm, healthy meal and a friendly smile. Last year, we prepared and delivered over 206,000 meals to Berkshire seniors. Meals on Wheels can be delivered to your door, or you can visit one of our 15 community meal sites we supply throughout the county. Our biggest impact is in facilitating your care. Whether you need just a few hours of help around the house, a drive to a doctor's appointment, or substantial services, we design every care plan with the individual attention from our professional case managers to provide you with the security of knowing your needs will be met. But our services extend beyond home care. We offer money management, mass health and insurance guidance through our SHINE program, caregiver support groups, nutrition counseling, and long-term care options planning. We support your home and your care because we are your neighbors. The staff and volunteers of Elder Services of Berkshire County are dedicated to your success. We take great pride in our team of over 90 skilled professionals and 200 kind and compassionate volunteers. The Berkshires are a tight-knit community with a history of supporting each other and making our seniors smile. We all work together to make a difference, like church groups gathering gifts of personal care items and home goods, florists donating flowers for arrangements for Elder Services clients, or youth groups volunteering to raise money and awareness for elder needs. And hundreds of you took up the charge to make sure that every elder in our care received a handmade Valentine. We are proud to be supported by you, by our community, and by our dedicated partners. We look forward to continuing our legacy of compassion and advocacy with your help. Please volunteer or donate today, and when the need arises, you can call on us, because we are your care, your home, your neighbors.
Till 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Dum 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 dum. Till 2:45. I've been out till 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Till 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64?